Alrighty guys, what is up? Colin Bracken here, and today I'm giving you a rundown of everything that has been done up to this point of my 2020 F-350 6.7 Powerstroke. So the first thing that you guys are gonna notice are the wheels and tires. We'll start with those. Wheels and tires, we've got 24 by 14 KG1 Kalas. They are a -76 offset, polished finish. As far as the suspension goes, we have a 2.5-inch ready lift leveling kit with Fox shocks up front, all done by Dependable Auto and Tire here in Logan, Utah. The headlights will go all the way around. It's completely paint matched, so we've got paint matched front end. So I'll put a picture up of what it looked like stock right here. And then we've got paint matched, we've got black and white Ford emblems. We got rid of the big blue oval. We have all this done white. We have the headlights done white, which are done also here by Dependable Auto and Tire here in Utah. We have the hooks powder coated black. We have the lower valance painted white, which I know is going to trigger a lot of you guys. So if it does, be sure to hit that like button. We have on the side steps, they did go ahead and wrap the chrome finish on them black. We do have paint match side badges. We do have paint match stock tow mirrors, paint match door handles, 18% tint to match the stock tint, a sticker for extra added horsepower. So now we're up definitely over like 1300 torque. So moving on to the back of the vehicle, we have the tri-tone taillights. We have paint matched on the outside here, red tint or tinted here over the red, and then painted black to match in this custom painted rear back plate. We have white letters and then black painted back plate. We do have a way safe 6-inch drop hitch on there. We do have a Gator tailgate or a Gator bed cover, as well as a bed rug that's just a lay-in here. The reason why I got this instead of a spray-in one or anything is for my dogs so that they don't slip around while riding in the back of the truck. So really good deals on these. The soft bed cover is my favorite. I don't like the hard bed cover because with a short bed then you can't fit like dirt bikes in the back. So I really like that. And then when you push it down, it seals right here and is waterproof. Powder coated rear exhaust pipe, also done here by Dependable. Moving around to the front, I think that's really everything as far as cosmetics go. Next, I want to get my I want to get a new third brake light up on top. I want to get it color matched and tinted as well, so that will look really good. Let's go ahead, hop inside and see what they did. He changed it so that it's the Lincoln style. So instead of like the blue background on my dash, it's the gray. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so just real fast, a couple things that I forgot. I do have my shorty bullet antenna. That is one of the first things that I think should be done to any vehicle. Those long, tall antennas are just absolutely annoying. This is equipped with a 32-piece rock light kit by Rocket side by side. If you guys want a discount on those rocket lights, go ahead and check the link down in the description below. Discount code Colin Bracken saves you 10% on orders over 300. Also, just real fast, I wanted to say Dependable also wrapped right here. If you guys are familiar with the platinum packages, you know that this is a chrome piece trim right here. I also had them wrap that black, so I'm super excited for that. Another thing that I'm going to be doing next is my YouTube logo. The YouTube logo with the American flag in it will be stickered on top and white, so that way when you look at it from the top view, you'll see the American flag and my YouTube logo on top of my truck. Also, you'll be able to see it from inside, and when the sun shines down through, you'll be able to see the black outline of it. So, super excited for that build. Now let's get back to the video. So, first thing that you'll notice when we hit this button right here. Also, actually, another thing you want to notice is that Colin Bracken YouTube hat right there. That's the first thing that we did for the interior mods. Now, if you hit this power button, you're going to see come on here the gray. It didn't come up. So the first time when you hop in it, after it's been off for a while, it'll come up, it'll show the Lincoln style emblem or logo, and then it'll say presidential on there. And then you'll notice that the background is gray instead of blue. So that is really awesome there. Also, another thing that they did is they put it in Bambi mode. So what that'll do is if your fog lights are on and you flip on your brights, it won't turn off your fog lights. So you'll be able to have all of your lights running instead of just, you know, your high beams. So that's really, really cool of them to do. I appreciate them taking the time, extra time to do that. But really, I think that's it as far as mods go. I'm super excited about this build. I'm super excited for what's to come. I do want to do a custom sub box underneath the back seat that says platinum. It'll be all backlit and everything. And I'm thinking about a Starlight headliner. I don't know if I really want to take the work because we do have the dual panoramic roof. So I don't know if it's really worth it to me to have, you know, just this 8 inches on each side. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think, if we should do that or not. And let me know what your guys' next mod would be to this. And let me know what you guys think of the build. Don't forget to hit subscribe on the channel because we're going to be bringing dope content to you guys. Up next, we've got some videos coming. We're going to be towing toy haulers. We're going to be towing goosenecks. We're going to be towing dump trailers. We're going to be towing heavy equipment just to show you guys what it's like to tow with the 10-speed because there's not too many of them out there. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.